Deep breathing, particularly diaphragmatic breathing, also called abdominal breathing or stomach breathing, is a practice that holds deep significance both in Indian Vedic traditions and modern science. It is understood to bring about powerful benefits for both the mind and the body. While Vedic teachings focus on its spiritual, energetic, and mental impacts, scientific research emphasizes its physiological and psychological advantages. Here's a closer look at both perspectives. In the Indian Vedic tradition, breath is not just a physical necessity, but a means to harness spiritual energy. Diaphragmatic breathing is regarded as a key practice to control prana, the vital life force, and is deeply embedded in yoga, meditation, and other Vedic practices. According to Vedic philosophy, prana is the life force or vital energy that permeates all living things. Breathing is considered the most direct way of controlling prana in the body. By engaging in deep breathing that activates the diaphragm, practitioners can regulate this energy, allowing it to flow freely through the body and balance the physical and energetic systems. The practice of pranayama, or control of breath, is central in Vedic traditions and involves several techniques of deep breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, or breathing deeply into the belly, is considered essential for controlling prana. It helps clear blockages in the nadis, which are energy channels, and enhances mental clarity and spiritual progress. Diaphragmatic breathing is believed to activate the body's chakras, or energy centers. Particularly, the solar plexus chakra, which lies near the diaphragm, is said to be deeply connected to personal power, self-esteem, and emotional regulation. By engaging in deep breathing, one can help balance and activate the chakras, promoting physical and emotional health. In Kundalini Yoga, deep breathing practices, especially those that engage the diaphragm, are used to awaken the dormant Kundalini energy at the base of the spine. As this energy rises through the chakras, it is believed to lead to spiritual awakening, higher consciousness, and profound peace. The Vedic texts, particularly in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, describe pranayama as a means to calm the mind, reduce the distractions of vritis, also known as mental fluctuations, and deepen meditation, or dhyana. Diaphragmatic breathing helps still the mind, which is essential for meditation and spiritual practices. Diaphragmatic breathing is used in meditation techniques to promote a deep state of stillness and focus. This controlled and deep breathing reduces distractions and helps the practitioner move into higher states of consciousness. It is believed that focusing on the breath aligns the practitioner with universal energy. In Vedic traditions, the breath is also associated with the heart, symbolizing the union of the individual with the divine. By practicing deep abdominal breathing, one can strengthen this connection, promoting peace, compassion, and spiritual growth. Deep or diaphragmatic breathing also has physiological and psychological benefits according to modern science. In modern science, diaphragmatic breathing is widely recognized for its profound impact on physical health, emotional well-being, and cognitive function. Scientific research supports many of the claims made in the Vedic traditions, particularly in the areas of stress reduction, mental clarity, and improved autonomic nervous system function. Diaphragmatic breathing engages the diaphragm, a large muscle that separates the chest and abdominal cavity. When this muscle contracts and expands, the lungs fill with air more efficiently, which improves oxygenation in the body. Deep breathing ensures that the lungs are fully expanded, which improves oxygen exchange in the body. This is important for cellular health, as cells require oxygen to generate energy and function optimally. Regular practice of diaphragmatic breathing can also help improve lung capacity, benefiting those with respiratory conditions like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It also helps in the activation of the diaphragm and heart rate. When we breathe deeply, the diaphragm moves downward, creating space for the lungs to fill with more air. This deep breathing has been shown to lower heart rate and blood pressure, helping to regulate the cardiovascular system. This aligns with the Vedic view of achieving balance and harmony in the body through breath. Deep breathing also regulates the autonomic nervous system, ANS. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary bodily functions like heart rate, digestion, and blood pressure. It has two primary branches, the sympathetic nervous system, which triggers the fight-or-flight response, and the parasympathetic nervous system, which triggers the rest and digest response. Diaphragmatic breathing stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's relaxation response. By engaging in deep, controlled breathing, the body can shift from a stress-induced sympathetic dominance, or fight-or-flight state, to a more relaxed, healing state. This leads to a reduction in stress hormones like cortisol and lowers the risk of stress-related illnesses. According to modern science, deep breathing also reduces anxiety and depression. Research shows that deep breathing techniques activate areas of the brain associated with calmness and emotional regulation, particularly the prefrontal cortex and amygdala. By reducing stress and anxiety, diaphragmatic breathing helps regulate mood, lowering the risk of anxiety and depression. Deep breathing has been shown to enhance cognitive function, focus, and clarity. By increasing oxygen flow to the brain, deep diaphragmatic breathing helps the brain operate more efficiently, improving concentration and mental alertness. The increase in oxygen supply to the brain during deep breathing helps improve focus and concentration. Studies suggest that deep breathing exercises can improve performance on tasks requiring mental attention, problem solving, and memory. The practice of deep breathing also enhances mindfulness, the ability to stay present and aware of the current moment. This improves emotional regulation, reducing impulsive reactions and promoting a more balanced emotional state. Diaphragmatic breathing has also been shown to significantly improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation before bedtime. This practice helps lower heart rate and calm the mind, leading to a deeper and more restful sleep. In addition, by reducing stress and promoting relaxation, deep breathing techniques can help individuals fall asleep faster and experience deeper, more restorative sleep. This is particularly effective for those struggling with insomnia or anxiety-related sleep disturbances. Chronic stress weakens the immune system, making the body more vulnerable to illness. By reducing stress through deep breathing, the body's immune response is strengthened, promoting overall health. Moreover, diaphragmatic breathing lowers inflammation by reducing stress hormones and activating the parasympathetic nervous system. Lower inflammation levels are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and autoimmune disorders. Both Vedic teachings and modern science recognize the power of diaphragmatic breathing to foster health and well-being, though the lenses through which they view it are different. In Vedic traditions, diaphragmatic breathing is seen as a way to harmonize the mind, body, and spirit, channeling prana, or life energy, and facilitating spiritual growth. In modern science, deep breathing is viewed as a way to regulate the nervous system, improve oxygenation, and reduce stress. Both perspectives view diaphragmatic breathing as a tool for healing. The Vedic understanding focuses on its spiritual and energetic healing aspects, while science emphasizes its physiological and emotional healing benefits, including stress reduction and improved physical health. Whether it's modern science or ancient Vedic teachings, diaphragmatic breathing is a powerful practice with significant benefits for both the body and mind. In the Vedic tradition, it is viewed as a means of controlling the flow of prana, balancing energy, and achieving spiritual growth. In modern science, it is recognized for its physiological benefits, such as reducing stress, improving lung function, boosting cognitive performance, and enhancing overall health. The practice of diaphragmatic breathing serves as a bridge between the ancient wisdom of the Vedas and the scientific understanding of human physiology, offering a holistic approach to overall well-being.